At the end of an interview, has anyone ever roasted you for your bad coding practices?
Well, I was sure roasted before, and it was humiliating. Let me save your butt by telling you about these 5 bad coding practices. All right, number 1. Meaningless variable names. Especially in the middle of an interview, it's very easy to just use IJK or XYZ, but trust me, please use index something specific, or God forbid, intemp. Even if it's kind of gross sometimes to write long names, your coworkers and especially your interviewer will love you being super clear about what you're doing.
Number 2, copy paste code. Us engineers, we love being concise. We're not trying to reach an essay limit the night before it's due, okay? Please use functions. Never use copy paste code. 3, poor documentation. I've been slapped on the wrist for this one.
In college, you don't have to think about this stuff.
It's just not as important when you're just working on one project by yourself, right?
Write detailed comments on your code reviews. Be consistent with how you document everything, too. And always try to look at your code and your code reviews as if you're a brand new person looking at it. Never seen it before.
All right, number 4, magic numbers. This is similar to the bad variable names. If you're in college, you can write whatever you want and it's fine. But please don't just write a number. Use constants.
Why would an array size be 5 randomly in your code?
Use constants with names, especially if you're working on a huge spec. Some of these specs have very specific reasons why we use very specific numbers. 5, using your first proposed design. There have been many times where I designed many solutions for just one simple problem. And I proposed all of these solutions, even again for the most simple problems, to my team every time. It's just a good way to brainstorm ideas to other people. Bonus. Bet you didn't see that one coming. So we have bad coding practices, but what should you not worry about? When you're working, don't be afraid to ask questions and make very simple mistakes. A lot of the time, you'll be working with multiple languages and multiple projects. You might forget indentations, you might forget semicolons. Just make sure it compiles after you're done. Just think about it like this. If it's a one single simple Google search away, then don't worry about it at all. Even staff engineers Google things. It's fine. Let me know in the comments below the worst code you've ever seen. Please, I'd love to hear your stories. Please like and subscribe and have a good one.